Hello? Hello. Welcome to this class. Now, today we're going to look at mole concepts and mole equation. How they use the equation to solve questions. And then before we start, can you hear me? Before we start, can you see the board first?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, mole can be defined in following way. The first one we're going to use is mole equal to mass over molar mass. That is mass of substance divided by molar mass. That's the first definition. And then the second definition, mole can also be defined as mass. Mole can also be defined as number of atoms over Avogadro constants. Number of atoms over Avogadro's constants. What's the number of atoms over Avogadro's constant? Remember, one Avogadro constant equal to 6.62 times 10 raised to the power 32. Now let me put all the equation in this, all the equation first down before we start solving. Now the first equation we're going to put down is the relationship between the mole and mass of substance. That is mole equal to mass over molar mass. That is mass of substance over molar mass. Mass over molar mass. That is, can you see the screen?
Yes.
That is mass of substance over molar mass. That's mass over molar mass. That's the first definition. And then the second definition we are going to look at is mole equal to number of atom over Avogadro constant. What's the Avogadro constant? 6.62 times 10 raised to the power 23 particle. That means if you take one atom of substance, it contains that number of particles, or one molecule of substance. These two definitions, let me write them here clearly. That is the first one we have, that is mole equal to mass over molar mass, while the second one is number of, that is mole equal to number of atom or ions, number of atoms over 6.0 6.062 times 10 raised to the power 23.